So now that we've gone through the entire first page of the strategy whiteboard, we have to ask ourselves, where does this all end? And that takes us to the final box on here, and that's the financial focus. Now notice all of these others have strategic outcomes and an area of focus. This is really a result. The financial focus is not a strategy, it's a result. So based on going through all of these steps and all of this analysis, now we want to know where it's taking us from a financial perspective. And this is where you'll capture that. So in this box right here, you'll add to this several different financial outcomes that are not strategies, they're simply outcomes. So if you look at saying, we're going to go ahead and enter into 5 different markets, I want to know what it means to your financials over the next 1, 3, 5, 7 years, something like that. If you're going to go into new markets, but you're not really growing your top line or your profit, it's not worth doing it. And if you're looking at this, if you're looking at various different operational enhancements or things like that that are going to make you better or more efficient, if we're not seeing a reduction in cost that you put here, again, there's no reason to go after those strategies. So this is the culmination of everything you do here. Rather than starting with financial goals, I'm saying let's finish with the financial outcomes, and that's what the financial focus is. So you're looking at things like revenue growth, gross profit, you're looking at net profit, or any other metrics that the company uses on a regular basis. And we're looking at these as trends. So we want to see what's going on over the next several years to know that it's worthwhile to make the investment in these strategies so that they actually return something in the long run. So don't overcomplicate this box. We really want to just look at the metrics that the company's already looking at, but we definitely want to see some significant growth as it relates to these strategies that come forward here.